from the beautiful Swedish nature in Stockholm. More specifically, I'm today in Huddinge. This beautiful natural spot is right next to the public beach Stortorpsbadet, 100-meter away, and it is time for a beach adventure with Kris on the lake Drevviken here in the beautiful nature. It is a Sunday, and also we welcome the month of June. Yes, it is 1st of June today, and today I was a bit tired with my legs, especially since yesterday I was cycling 54 kilometers. So today it's gonna be only 18 kilometers in total, as it took me almost 9 kilometers to get here with my Cube road bike. And now that I recall, maybe I should have come here with my hybrid, as it's a shame to take this beauty just for a short ride like this. And also with my cycling shoes as well. This is my beach spot for this Sunday on Lake Drevviken. I have found another spot on that end that's perfect, but it was taken unfortunately, so I will come on a weekday there and enjoy another nice day here, quite close actually to my home, as I usually am going on the other side, that is Orchem, that looks even more spectacular. But the problem is that there I cannot film nice towards the water, as the sun will be coming in my eyes. I'm not sure how to say, because here it is perfect if I'm standing on this rock and film some of my dance shorts, for example. So, but that piece of beauty over there I'm going to visit. I haven't been to Orchem this year already, but I have been on Lake Flatten, that's just behind the forest over there. Beach day number 24, and 1st of June we welcome the month of June. 20 degrees Celsius in the air, very warm, and I just measured in the water, it is 16 degrees Celsius in Lake Drevviken. This is the lake where I do ice skating on it, as it's a natural lake that gets fully frozen, and it's quite beautiful indeed. So let's go in for a longer swim today. Enough talking. Let's find the way, because it's my first time here. I have been behind that rock actually last autumn, but this is my first time here. So let's check it out. Quite beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see how deep it is. Right. I have almost fell because it is a bit slippery, but yeah, beach adventures with Kris. Yet another swim in this beautiful nature over here. So, are we ready? Yes. Ready, set, and go! Beautiful. This is nice to be able to come to a natural beach spot like this one in the capital city of Sweden. It's spectacular. I really love it. It's also very deep where I'm here, and definitely I can also swim to the other side and back, because this is a lake and there are not so many boats, only fishing ones. So that gives me an idea for some other time if I want to swim. Maybe when the water is a bit warmer, maybe when it's 20 degrees. So yeah, let me show you around this beautiful nature while I swim and enjoying the beautiful Sunday in Stockholm. I can see here all the way to Huddinge and Huddinge that are also on the lake. So, yep. Uh, maybe tomorrow when my legs are gonna be a bit more relaxed, maybe I can cycle to the sea tomorrow. Cool. So, okay, I'm standing now on a rock. That's a wrap from this uh, spot in Huddinge, close to Stortorpsbadet, but a natural spot indeed. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm going to see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.